How to change Yahoo Mail password in computer. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can change your Yahoo Mail password in computer, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to change your Yahoo Mail password in computer, you just have to go to mail.yahoo.com and log into your Yahoo Mail account. Now here you can see your profile name. Just hover your mouse over profile name, then you'll find this option that says account info. So click on the account info option over here. Then once you've done that, first of all, just for confirmation, go ahead and then log into your account for the verification. And once you've done that, you will see all these sorts of information here, right? So it's asking me to verify two-step, but I'm going to skip that. And if you look here, you can see change password. So click on change password option, and all you have to do is simply enter the new password that you want to change to. Click the continue option and your password will get successfully changed. This way you can change Yahoo Mail password in computer. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.